Yes, Chinmay.
Uh, yes, ma'am.
Go ahead.
So before having these sessions, the things were not going well with me, and that's the reason I joined this session. And within a month, I felt the progress. I thought first, actually, I'll be trying this for a month, and I just went ahead with it, having no idea what will be happening, like what will happen, or like how it will go. Then slowly things started changing. For example, I was not getting sleep before like having these sessions. Whenever some stress used to come, I used to panic and I used to get that anxiety. I was not getting sleep at all at night, which was affecting the other aspects of my life also. Nowadays, I'm getting sleep even after getting all kind of stress. I mean, I don't care about those stress. It's like some or the other thing will help me, and like I'll somehow get out of it. I have that confidence. So I'm getting peaceful sleep every night. And also, like the major change I felt during these sessions, my life, I mean, my days are bit organized. Earlierly, I was like laying down on the bed, thinking about those problems the whole day and not getting any solutions. And end of the day, I was getting frustrated, and like again, with that stress, I was not again getting sleep, and which was affecting everything. Nowadays, because I'm able to sleep, I'm able to organize my day also. So whatever stress is coming, it is just coming and going. But my life is in like streamlined. Like I'm following my routines. I'm doing my work. I'm doing it like in a very organized way, I can say. So apart from that, I was having issues with my relationship, and relationship was like I was not even sure that I will be with this person or not, even though I got engaged before. So there were many doubts, and things were not going well. So now it's much better. Like without saying, also we do have that understanding. Like at least we are like able to. I mean, I cannot say that he is like getting to know everything, whatever is like in my thoughts, but we are having at least the basic understanding that he is able to. I mean. Understand what I want at that point of time, and if I'm not liking something, so he himself is like avoiding that thing. So these all progress
You
I
also
saw.
said that he was a bit you found him a bit indifferent towards you and you were not very happy because I
Yeah,
remember, yes, you were saying, yeah, I'm not even sure. And one fine night, like in the middle of the night, you just messaged me, can I just like, can I even imagine the other way also and get rid of this? And but now I think the relationship is beautifully blossoming between you two,
yeah,
right?
yes. And last night only he told me that uh, like your sessions are only. I feel your sessions are only responsible to build our relationship better. Nowadays, I am liking to spend time with you.
Wow. The second part is really amazing that he's liking to spend time with you.
He said the only difference is you are having these sessions nowadays. So might be that affecting this all. So
Wow.
that's what. And about my career thing, we didn't have much career sessions, but still, earlierly people not used to consider me. They were not even giving me work. Now, recently, I got three more new clients to work on, that too on a senior level. And I mean, yeah, everything is going amazing in office.
And even that meeting where you were so scared, but they
Yes,
appreciated you because we did a particular technique just before the meeting and the day before.
correct.
Yeah.
Yeah. So on that meeting, I was so panicked. I was not able to concentrate on anything for 4 days. Then suddenly it turned out to be like very good, and the
Yeah,
person started saying good things about me in that meeting. I never imagined that. Though, yeah,
that is so amazing. I'm so happy with your progress. Like in 10 or 12 sessions we have had in a month, and then you have continued for the second month, and we have had only 3 sessions, I think. आज
correct.
के Friday तक में. So total 13 sessions, and you are already a magician, already creating magic and miracles in your life. I'm just a
Yeah,
channel. Thank you so much for sharing and inspiring so many people, Chinmay. And I wish you all.
thank you, ma'am. Thank you to you. I mean, you only helped me to, I mean, see my life in a different way. I mean, you made me like that.
Thank you for trusting me. Thank you so much.
And the main thing is, I have started loving myself. I mean,
Wow.
that is, yes. I mean, before going out nowadays, I am seeing myself how my appearance is.
Internet.
Earlier, I used to just put on something and used to go out.
Yeah, I remember. Then we discussed yin and yang energy, and I'm like loving you so much. Like, for the first time in all these, all this time, I'm seeing you for the first time in this open hair with the lipstick and everything. And you're looking
Yes.
so pretty. So keep spreading
Thank
your
you, ma'am.
everywhere, wherever you go, and keep growing.
Sure, ma'am. Thank you.